Want to know the top tips for successful transplanting in your garden? Transplanting is a key gardening move, and doing it right is crucial. We're going to delve into 7 insightful tips that will elevate your transplanting game. So, stay tuned to discover the top 7 tips that will make your transplanting efforts a success. Tip number 1, choose the right time to transplant. The ideal moments are typically early spring or fall. This is because plants are generally dormant, thus reducing stress and increasing their survival chances. Remember, timing is everything in gardening. Moving on to tip number 2, water your plants well before transplanting. Why? Because proper hydration is key to a successful move. It equips the plant with the necessary strength to cope with the change. A well-hydrated plant will handle the move much better. Tip number 3, dig a generous hole. An ample hole is crucial for successful transplanting. It should be spacious enough to welcome the plant's roots, giving them freedom to spread out and establish. Remember, a roomy hole makes for a happier plant. Tip number 4, handle your plants with care. When transplanting, it's crucial to be gentle. Mishandling can lead to root damage, setting back your plant's growth. So remember, be soft, be kind, be careful. Treat your plants like the living beings they are. Tip number 5, place your plant in the hole and fill it with soil. Gently position the plant, making sure it's at the right depth. Then carefully backfill with soil, lightly pressing it down to remove air pockets. Proper placement ensures your plant's future growth. Tip number 6, water your transplanted plant generously. A hearty drink quenches the plant's thirst, helping it to settle in its new home. This promotes root development and aids in recovery from transplant shock. Remember, water is the key to a successful transplant. Finally, tip number 7, monitor your plant. It's essential to keep a vigilant vigil over your newly transplanted green friend. Look out for telltale signs of distress or disease. Remember, the first few weeks after transplanting are crucial. And there you have it, the top 7 tips for successful transplanting. From choosing the right time, watering well, to monitoring your plant, we've covered it all. If you found these tips helpful, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening advice. Happy gardening, happy